Okay. A voter registration drive was held in town Y. The number of voters V registered T days after the drive began can be estimated by this equation. V is the number of voters and T is the number of days. What is the best interpretation of 65? What is 65 over here? So 3450 would be the initial number of voters and 65 would be the number of voters per day into the number of days. 65 would be number of voters not at the end of the registration, because we do not know what is the value of T. We cannot calculate that. Number of registered voters at the beginning, that would be 3450, not 65. Total number of voters registering during the drives, again we do not know the value of T, so we cannot put a fixed value over here and find out the total number of registered. So D is what we left with. Number of voters registered each day during the drive. Each day into number of days, you'll get the number of voters. So D is the correct answer. Line L in XY plane contains points from each quadrant 1, 3 and 4. So 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So it contains line points in all the three quadrants, 1, 3, 4. So this is how it would look like. It is upward going graph line. So slope would be positive. Right? Slope cannot be 0 because the line which is parallel to the x-axis, the slope is 0. Undefined, it cannot be undefined because tan 90 is undefined, and that is when the slope is undefined, and that means the line is, if the line is perpendicular to the x-axis, in that case it is undefined. So this is also not the case. Slope is negative. No, slope negative would be downward going line. This is also not the right answer. Slope would be positive. C is the correct answer. To find out the equation of line, right, so we can use y is equal to mx plus c, where y would be the where C would be the intercept, y-intercept. And what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is clearly 3000, the point where the distance from the origin to the point where it cuts the y-axis. So that is equal to 3000, which is there in all the 4 answer choices. Now what we need to do is we need to find the value of m. M is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Take any 2 points of your choice, any 2 points you can take. So let's say we took these 2 points. So here what is the value of y? This is 2000, this is 3000. So every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divisions in between, every point would have 200, would be at a distance of 200. So 2200, 2400. So this y value of y over here would be 2400. So value of y2 would be here how much? 1800. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. x2 would be how much? x2 would be, every division is 1 point, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. So 4 minus what is x1? So 5. This is 6, 7, 8. This would be 8. So this comes out to be 2400 minus 6, 1800 is 600 upon 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So it would come out to be negative value, and 15 4s are 60, 150. So minus 150 is the value of m. Minus 150 is the value of m. So answer would be B. So this is the equation of H. H, remember, 1 minus 150 m plus 3000. M is the number of minutes. M is the number of minutes. Okay, so let's use the same and solve this question. And the equation that we got was H is equal to minus 150. How much was it? Minus 150 m plus 3000. Okay, use this to find the value of m. The value of H has been given as 1350. Just put the value of H over here. 1350 is equal to minus 150 m plus 3000. What would be the value of m, guys? So minus 150 m would be equal to 1350 minus 3000, and then m would be 1350 minus 3000 upon minus 150. So that comes out to be 1350. That comes out to be minus 1650 upon 150, and negative values get cancelled out. So 16 divided by 150, that gives you 11. So M comes out to be 11 minutes. C is the correct answer. Okay, this is a pretty easy equation. All you need to do is rearrange. This expression is given. We need to find out which of the following expresses the square of velocity. We need to find out the value of v square. Simply rearrange. So 1 by 2 v square plus 1 would be, f goes on to the other side, becomes p by f, and okay, 1 by 2 v square is equal to p by f minus 1, and v square would be twice p by f minus 1, twice p by f minus twice p by f minus 1. So this would be p minus f upon f into 2. So D would be the correct answer.